Consumer Protection Council. Rights of consumer according to the IOC, International Organization of a Consumer Council. So these are the rights: right to safety, right to inform, right to choose, right to be heard, right to be redressed, right to consumer education, right to healthy environment, and right to basic needs. These are the 8 rights. These are the rights of consumer according to the IOC, International Organization of the Consumer. So here there are clauses. So clause 1 is about the section C, right to be protected from the unfair and hazardous things. Clause B is about the hazardous things, scented perfumes, clay toys, hair dryers. These are the hazardous things. Clause C, competitive prices and various varieties of goods. Clause D, right to be heard by court, appropriate forum. This is the clause D. These are the 4 clauses. Next we will see the consumer disputes redressal agencies, consumer courts. So according to your complaint, it will go in the respective forum. If in the district forum, the claim under rupees 20 lakh means if your complaint is under the 20 lakh, means if you have purchased a flat and some dispute has arisen, but the flat is of below it is of 10 lakhs, means it is under 20 lakhs, then it will come under the district forum. So according to your claim, it will come under the respective forum. So for the district forum, the claim under rupees 20 lakh. For the state consumer disputes redressal commission, the claim about rupees 20 lakh. For the state consumer disputes redressal commission, means SCDRC, the claim above the rupees 20 lakh, it comes under the state commission. And for the national consumer disputes redressal commission, NCDRC, the claim above the 1 district consumer disputes redressal forum, DCDRF, if the value of the claim is up to 20 lakh, then it comes in the district forum. Claim above the rupees 20 lakh within 1 crore, means within 1 crore it is that your product's price, then it will come under the state commission, means state consumer disputes redressal commission. And when the claim is above the 1 crore, then it comes under the national consumer disputes redressal commission. So a president, a woman qualified with education of a current economics. For district forum, a president woman qualified with education of a current economics. For a state commission, president person's qualification is of a judge of a high court judge, a woman qualified with education of a current economics. Here 3 members are there, and in national commission there are 4 members. First is the president. He is the judge of a Supreme Court. Here person qualification is of a judge of a high court in state, and in national it is the judge of the president is the judge of the Supreme Court. A woman, compulsory in that members a woman is present, and 2 members are qualified with the education of current economics. So here we have completed the Consumer Protection Act 1986.